Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the project and loading the replacement clip into the source monitor. This gives frame-accurate control. Once done, select the timeline clip you want to replace and make sure to note its duration and any in/out points or effects you'll preserve. Use the timeline zoom and snapping to position the playhead precisely at the clip start. This immediate preparation saves time. It prevents mismatched lengths and keeps transitions intact when you execute the replace command. Now, load the new footage into the source monitor and set in and out points to match the original clip length, or use match frame to pull the exact segment. Then, do a replace edit. Drag the source onto the timeline clip while holding the replace modifier, or use Alt/Option plus drag for overwrite behavior depending on your keyboard. Make sure you target the correct video and audio tracks, and check ripple settings so neighboring clips don't shift unexpectedly. This step swaps pixels while keeping finish by reviewing the replaced clip in context, play through transitions, and confirm audio sync. If durations differ, use trim, rate stretch, or retime to match. Make sure keyframes and effects carried over correctly. If clips go offline or don't match, relink media or disable conflicting effects, then reapply selectively. One key troubleshooting tip: if edits slip or gaps appear, toggle ripple edit and use undo to revert. Then repeat the replace with exact in/out points to avoid cascading timeline shifts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.